Hi guys, good morning. This is Teacher Esperanza once again. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Bago po ako sa channel ko, welcome to you guys. So ngayong araw po na to, magkiklaim po tayo ng ating board rating, authenticated board rating sa PRC. Kasi lang, still early kaya hintay pa po tayo na 1 hour kasi mga 10 pa po sila mag-open. Dito po sa Gaisano Mall of Davao. Nandito po tayo sa Gaisano Mall of Davao. So, dito po sa may ano po yung office nila. Sa 5th floor po, kung taga Davao City po kayo, kung pinili nyo po ay yung branch po dito po sa Gaisano Mall of Davao. Nandito po sila sa 5th floor po, yung ating PRC office. Okay? Po yung PRC office po dito sa 5th floor ng Gaisano Mall of Davao. So, ayan po. Yan. Sa mga bago pa lang po sa channel ko, welcome po. You can do subscribe to my channel guys. For this video, I'm going to share with you the requirements that you need to do if you're going to get your authentication certification at the PRC. What are those requirements that you need? So the first things that you need to do is you need to go to your Lyris PRC account, go to your transaction and select certification. Example, you're going to go abroad, so you need to get all the authenticated certification at the PRC. In my case, I get my authentication certificate of board rating. And then after this, I'm going to go to the DFA for the apostille. So we need to do apostille after we get our authenticated documents at the PRC. But be sure to bring your original copy of your certificate of rating. Then you need to have a photocopy, one photocopy of it, one like this. And then sabi ko sa akin ng isang personnel ko doon sa PRC, ang kaibahan po pala ng authentication certification na passing or board rating is sa board rating po, pag authenticated na po siya, meron po siya dalawang firma po ito, isa, dalawa. While sa hindi pa po siya authenticated, isa lang po. So, ngunit na po yung any valid government ID, hindi na po kailangan ito. Ito lang po, original na copy. Ito original na copy ng iyong board certificate of passing, and then ito na po yung sa authentication. Okay guys? So, that's all, and thank you so much for watching guys.